YouTuber or homemaker? Yes, you have YouTube. I saw. Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
yes,
I'm
you
a
sent me.
YouTuber. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, do you upload that conversation videos or like a what we solo video?
No, no, conversation video I uploaded. So,
Okay.
when I started my channel, so at that time I started uploaded video like bird meaning and some sentences. Yeah, I
Okay, 2020. So, do you have any topics that we can discuss first in that?
no, actually I don't have any
Okay, so
ideas.
casual conversation.
Yeah,
Okay.
can
So, first of all, good afternoon. How are you? How was your morning?
good afternoon, ma'am, and I'm pretty well. And yeah, morning was good. So, and thank you so much for asking me. And please tell about yourself.
Okay, so first of all, I want to say that my name is Jyoti. I
Okay.
live in Agra. I have a daughter that is 10 months.
Okay.
Okay, I have done my graduation and nowadays I am running a YouTube channel.
Oh, that's good.
Yes, I am homemaker as well.
Okay, you are homemaker.
Okay.
So,
Will you introduce about yourself?
okay. So, yeah. Basically, I belong to UP from Bulandsahar, but I was living with my parents in Delhi. But now, recently, I got married last month.
Yes,
So,
yes.
this time I'm living in Faridabad.
Okay, after married, we have many responsibility.
Yeah.
Before marriage, whatever we want to do, we can do. And now I have daughter, I do not get more time for myself
Yeah.
because of her. And before she was not that time, I was, free. More, I was getting more time for that doing whatever I was want to do. But I started my journey when she was only 5 months. I think 4 months. Yes,
Okay. So,
yes.
it's
That time
too.
she was. Yes, she was not. She can live on one place that time. But now she always make a noise. She run away and she try to stand by holding anything. I have to care now more about her.
Okay. So, what's her name?
Her name is Disha.
Sorry.
Disha.
Okay, Disha. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So, that why are you learning this language? That now are you learning this language, and it was since your journey you were the good in
Yes,
this
yes.
language.
That time I started my journey. It was, I think, my daughter was like 4 month only. I have completed 6 months to started my journey. That time I was not able to speak. When I started my YouTube channel, then I started my journey as well. Together, I
Okay.
started both things. Yes. And if we have done graduation, we have done anything. So whatever we want to do, we should do.
Yes.
We
So,
can enhance our like a knowledge.
yes. So,
Yes.
why are you learning this language? That do you want to complete your higher education and something? What do you want
I
to?
want to, if suppose now my daughter is very small, she will grown up and I can make an environment for herself from childhood. I won't make that. And whenever I will become a fluent, I can teach those want to learn English. I can teach them as well.
Okay.
Yes. And by that I will also get knowledge.
Yeah.
It is
And
for beneficial for me as well. Yes.
yeah, that's nice idea. So, means that you are learning this language for enhancing your knowledge, and also, uh, 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 and the second reason is also your daughter. Okay, and
Yes, yes, yes.
you have completed your graduation. So, would you want
Yes,
to be
yes.
learn? Another thing means complete your graduation, master, and other any professional
No,
degree.
this
Do
is
you
not
want
my
to?
purpose for doing, but I want to do best in my English speaking only.
Okay.
I want to be best and I want to make best my daughter as well. if suppose she will speak with me, I will also speak with her. She will not face any type problem like I faced.
So which type of problem did you face in your journey? So did you face any kind
Okay.
of problems?
Yes, yes, I faced that time. In starting, I was thinking it is a piece of cake, like I speaking English and facing a camera. But when I started my journey, that time I was thinking I could not speak. If someone front of me, I could not speak that time. First, I locked that door, then I could speak. Yes, and now, but I don't care. I got confidence. I can speak well as well. But I am not saying that I am not making mistakes as well. But now also I'm making mistake. But gradually it goes mistake. We do not make more mistake.
So, did you face any kind of problem when the second person, when we start to talk with someone, and the person is fluent. So, did you face any kind of fumbling that
Yes, 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 yes. That
trouble
time I
issues?
could not speak more, and I feel nervous as well.
Yeah.
First time I was talking, I was not able to speak. I was thinking, how will I talk? I am talking first time. I was not. I was thinking that I should wait. I should not make conversation today. Tomorrow I should make because that person is new for me. Yes, but now I don't care. It is very tough. Suppose we are talking on audio call. It is simple. We are not looking that person. But on video call, we have to face a person. We have to express our thoughts. We have to get their thoughts as well. So we
Yes.
think that if we make mistake, that people will laugh at me, that person can laugh at. No, we should not think about that. That person is also learner.
Yeah. So, before 1 to 3 days ago, so I was in one group. Okay, so I was reading the message. Okay, so the person was asking to sir that sir, I want to learn English and I want to improve English. So he wrote in Hindi. Okay, so and the one spelling it was wrong. So I read only, but another person he started to comments in chat in
Yes,
group
yes,
because I was reading this message on Telegram. So when I thought so, it was wrong that the person is trying to learn this language because we brought up in this environment. There was no background, so that's why we didn't learn this language. So, but second, when uh, when we do these type of things, so the second person who wants to do in their life and start to demotivate. So I think we
yes,
should not
yes, yes,
do we should not do that. We always appreciate them that yeah, you can
yes,
do,
yes. Yes,
you
yes,
have
I have
potential.
seen that. There are 100% people. So in that 90% people they laugh, 10% they motivate us, and 90% people they will demotivate you. But you have to motivate yourself because this is
Yeah,
your challenge. You have to do. The people can get you demotivate, not motivate. Not can they
yeah,
motivate you. So we should
yeah.
not think about that. We should think
They will.
whatever we want to do.
Yeah. So
Yes,
definitely we always keep motivate to others, and also we and also means there is no one that who can motivate us if we want to do
yes,
in
yes,
our life, in our journey. So that means we can do, only it is
yes, yes,
in our hands. When now we have started this language, and before this time I'm able to speak. I'm also doing mistake sometime. I start to I don't have words that the sentence what should I ask and what should I what will I have to make the sentence. But it was not in previous time, that was not same time, because at that time I started to shivering and I started to fumbling that what will I speak, and next question what will I will have to how to explain the things. But now I'm able to speak, and also now I'm able to start to manage the things. So definitely it will take time, when
Yes, yes,
we want to learn cycling. Okay. and
yes,
uh,
yes. We fell
and
down.
also, yeah, and also we can also take one example also, baby. When a baby start to
Yes,
walking
yes.
and to get up.
Speaking. Yes, yes.
So
Now they
he
in starting baby also make mistakes. They do not
yeah,
speak right. My daughter also, I do not get whatever she speaks. I do not get.
yeah. And if I say in a single words, we are not Englishmen, we are not Britishers, that we are fluent, we are Indians, and our mother tongue is Hindi. And now we are trying and we are giving to opportunity to learn this language. And yeah, that's the reason we have started to learn this language, because it was not since childhood. So that's why we are doing same things.
Yes, yes.
So what will
Okay.
you give the suggestions to people, how can we learn, how can they learn this language? What was your strategy to learn this language?
So first of all, if they are new, they are beginner, they should not focus on grammar. They in starting, we have to speak like a simple sentence. So they have to not go in grammar. They should listen that cartoon stories in English. They are beginner. They should not watch that podcast, any that tough videos. They should watch that animation videos, cartoon videos that are beneficial for them. It is very
Yeah,
simple. It is in very simple language and they can understand easily. They can catch easily whatever they listen. Yes, and they should not speak like a advanced English. We should not, that some people they speak like a advanced English. If first they have to remove their hesitation, they have to get confidence. Then they, if they are able to speak simple language, then they should start advanced English.
yeah,
First, we have to try to speak simple.
yeah. So, like,
Yes,
if in my, according to me, when I took one course, okay, so the sir, he started to teach us, and he told us only simple sentences like we have to speak more, and we have to
yes, yes.
command in this language. Means
And
in these sentence, means natural common sentences we have to firstly we have to start, like if I went in kitchen, okay, yeah, I go to in kitchen. So what is the if I take the utensil, so what will speak the utensil name? And I
yes,
also
yes,
go to washroom, so like mug, we are taking bath, something, so many things. And we first we have to
yes,
start from
yes.
present tenses, and many other things we can start also. So
Yes, yes. There are many objects at home. We can
yeah,
describe that.
yeah,
By describing, we can think in English.
yeah.
Like in
Let's,
Google, we can search any picture. We have to describe. I can see there are many people. They are doing this. They are. I can see this type thing nature. And what can you like this type things we have to describe. It is very necessary. Describing is very important. If we
yeah,
are beginner, we should learn to describe anything. If whenever we sleep, we also think in English
Yeah,
by describing.
yeah, like
Yes, it
this
is
time,
very important.
yeah, we are sitting in the room and so many objects are here. So we can
Yes,
speak.
yes. Like
There is a
we can
fan.
that shape, color, many things are there for
So
describing.
because we have to start to speak this language, and it
Yes, yes.
can be start from anywhere.
Yes, yes. It was a nice
Okay,
conversation.
bye, and please subscribe the channel.